May I ask a personal favor?
Yes.
Will you take care of Spot for me?
Your animal.
I'm afraid if I have another waking dream, I might injure him.
Of course. Spot, come here.
Unlike a canine, Spot does not respond to verbal commands. Goodbye, Spot. He will need to be fed once a day. He prefers feline supplement number 25.
I understand.
And he will require water. And you must provide him with a sandbox. And you must talk to him. Tell him he is a pretty cat. And a good cat.
I will feed him.
Perhaps that will be enough.